Show forms an extended flashback through the events of Galinda and Elphaba's days at Shiz University, when Galinda Upland first encounters Elphaba Thropp, the daughter of the governor of Munchkinland. Their first day of school begins with Dear Old Shiz, featuring concert choir and soloist Karis Kim as Galinda.